for higher GC News, Mima Ubibia Kwaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Aramede, Bremo, and Uti, so when you subscribe to channel, idea, Bomodia say, Uber subscribe. Yobayana say, Uber click a the subscribe button. Now, Wabeli, a year notification. We answer video for Frubia Bay upload. Also, once a bear can be. Afi we are now like video give us a thumbs up now fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana me mu hanum afi yenti ye sansem ya ababetuja yenti sa report
na abato komisane hihemu no odwom so ntonto ya balotoi se wan na bedi kan wan na beto so mienu wan na beto so miensa sa kwesi enipa edumiensa se yedika to bidie we ani atu bidie enti omo toso 1 to 7 no na yedikan atu omudie no.
He's lying with impunity. That's national television. This guy is so much. This guy, American Nasa, he's a radio presenter. The duty is so to educate Ghana for Kano Karita Ghana for Zabano. And on the 7th of December, Nipa saw Tomanon, when it logo and as an emblem done in Chakona Kotumani Party. But listen to the comment that he made. Whereby NCC for Abemo Muskaso Munya campaign, educating Ghana for Ghana from Concord Trouble in 2 years. He by this Wont. This young guy is misinforming the public using Wontumi outlet and media station. Ghana, Ghana, if you look at our system, there be a transparent. Or whether we like it or not, if NPP has captured power and broke the ATA, and in this case will be a foolish case. There's no way Wontumi will allow the NPP in power to go after his own presenter. And see that John Mahama is the president elect. And say he's coming to re-echo problems to us. He can't. So I must say, Mama say economy no. They are your papa into massa gabby. Obian say your papa. Now so by you are able to identify the problem, give us solutions. And now for the Bawumia media mouth giddy so. And as idea, Monsieur Bowie, Bobby and what we are going to criticize it. We are going to praise it if it comes true. Thank you. This anime Mambia Shabra Sisi. Yan now say young can say party question my objective criticisms about them. Now I will party. No cry back up. I'll tell you the honest truth. The truth is a better pill. And your mama Rushimo, Nanko Poya Duma on the 7th. I mean the uncle Chan Musia Concry, the second coming of John Dramani Maroko. I didn't Jamenko. I'm a Ghanaian. May say that time I sit here, yeah, Dumadia is about objectivity. Every no me see how close was in your dim command. Who say be a NPP no makaka, but Jack, you have a transi a year, Juma, a year, Juma, a year. And the Kennedy Agyapong Kojo Kyeremanteng is even a godfather. So come and be a man in Yadia. I have the right to criticize him. Engineer, your mama, I'm going to monitor him, but I'll give me a certain kind of ample time leverage. Kaka. Now my head, names more kind, and that's what I can also. But frankly, and yet for the sake of Ghana for. And no man, come see a best. You better Mahamadu Bawumia your man and your man. So that was what I totally message you. I disagree. Sick. I disagree. Bawumia NPP for you. Let's see. Ghana for a soft for the so-called civil society for almost share man and not do any the cronies as sell man or man to me and Kawasa. Send your mouth at Telaku so pa. Let's say, it would be in a because. In fact, I'm going to Bonio. NPP for Bonio, Jessica, Mebati. Once I'm walking to a point, I will agree and disagree. Reason in a say, another it's John Mama and the executive powers they are sharing them. Now the year to know it be a concord to be a reality. Oh, Shagway, a court of competent jurisdiction, even now provided so once I'm walking. And Okran said, now there's major responsibility on John Dramani Mama. See. Major responsibility. Now, so we do Bonana said the Nico Court, and your mamma at the Nico Court, and your man at the Nico Court. And now for your Coco and try him. Your Coco couldn't pay for some Coco patch or mount. Come on, this can now, my bonnet. Or be uncasasem. So you let me name. Say if it is true, NPP for this guy. Your mama, this is a file because every document we have transition. Every document will be allocated to you. I did me as on second be original to fight for ordinary Ghanaians. No, it is a good in some of the TB. We opposition is different, we power is different. Nipa ba kobantes wo bin and one catch or say, or what bet you be at one Jayco. But Jayco for a cat to say you so you your friend back. And then so share. When you born up to slow me. Now, the dance force minister, no, Madam, we are saying, no, Nipa ye check constitution was even part of people who wrote the constitution. Already edu chachichu kata no ko. So if you look at allies, anome NDC for so remove this kind of mano. And then je ko fe do mkotumu. I am man do mkotumu. Matesa man faster take kasa and I don't remember mama partners one to NPP for ntumwa. Debbie. Let's get time for him.
But Franco, who share yes many the NPP ni Franco. Who share or more na ye no two position. Sebu. Omo na ase chele. Na oba ban mu. Se nya krono pa no boy ya. Sa sikaro mo ne pay no timi ya sanema.
I say eno so another avenue for us also.
Then on no loopholes so also. So if people can make this filthy money. Na ye talk ne sweat mran timi say na
say ye kan yina yi. They no me no start a wo kan yina. Now you have a certain kind of perception. Say biancophobia yes can yes sanity.
Perception.
No. It's only a court of competent jurisdiction that can say we have Bokron as or Bokron. They no mean you concocted. They no mean you allegation. They no mean you no my against Uncle for Bokron or my say. And I'm say the year can might be true. But it depends on the new administration that is coming. The kind of focus and evidence and prima facie case from the court, now court just that is the most important thing. That is a
Franco, I understand you. Franco, MPP no position 2016. So I say omu raise fund. Emma carry for Kwaku donate 5,000.
Yes.
Omu beton a card be gold, silver now they are just to make money. Now the MPP etimi run this flamboyant campaign. Co promise. I mean, more be a delegate 5,000, 10,000. Franco. In the position to get out can't me say. Just a court of competent jurisdiction because uncle for you Franco, we are
talking about law. Law, we have separation of powers. We have the executive, legislature, and judiciary.
I'm not called police. You ever who promise from you?
I remember noti. Now let's the war come to us. Asama yeken. ABC in 2001.
Yeah.
When NPP won the elections, NDC in opposition, even paying of light bill, almost secretary was a problem.
Yeah.
They came to power. They built a $20 million ultra modern outfit office. See, no yes can tell I even what bill. Then the man. So as soon as NPP opposition, almost be one station, police station, adopt one police station, even getting money to even run campaign, getting money to even make sure I'm dead. You can't want me to make it. I was even difficult. Shabu, no, but catch us scanning Ghana have your. I'm telling you, these politicians from the Agro. There is a lot of money. Why are they killing people to become president? Why are they trying to suppress the will of the people to become president? Where is this coming from? It tells you, say, Bibi will be in Jubilee House, executive, Bibi will be in legislature, Bibi will be in. There's something. And Sabu, media, every market says, US cost and a US car, rice, a US car, the year coming in the Yaka.
Yeah.
But it's the only court of competent jurisdiction that can say, wait dear or yes car, wait dear what you say, and me say John the man mama Niabre say he wants to go after corrupt people. Every document is allocated to you as a president. Every document.
But Franco, only suggest say Mahama and then Yamiabua Ghana for Amano make up the Ghana man say 1 year Ghana or both the judicial the executive and the legislature 1 year. Memra, yen set up court. You better try this corrupt officials apart from the normal court. No, say yen come into a assembly shada. Nientimi dino timely. Maybe 3 months, 4 months. Nientimi tribute cano. On for woman, and answer one pass to
it depends on the kind of evidence you have. It depends on what his people will tell him. Maybe Attorney General Department, maybe Auditor General Department, maybe the kind of cases they will go through. And see maybe the list of people now even if there's even 1 or 2 they should go after them.
Yes,
they should even set a court as our court 10 times high court. Yes, or we making sure say this can be we will call the person, we give the person equal hearing and listen to Nipano and says when then you bring out your lawyers and then we go to the legality of the matter because the yeti we are not privy to documents. They make what I say. We are not privy to document. The way notice Austin or a crumb for Austin Kwaku yes can say, but the matter will go to a court of competent jurisdiction. They will call the case. People will bring out evidence and facts. Ebe tell ye adwuma yes shebula sisi skabia be say na ye che shebula sisi this kan no ebe ni pa no this kan man no boss amane de they must first kan koya die bi they make what I say to tell me any be ba ho so ebe ku ebe wie bibia wie no na bia feel we hu the actual or the reality but a court of competent jurisdiction here you go there with empirical evidence facts and checks any dey ko and mesre matesa man for start and I your mama ye so ni ina onko NPP for na years agree. It might be perception, it might be concordant, it might be reality. But only a court of competent jurisdiction that can prove it.
Frankly, look at this time. A NPP for now, they can't say NPP for this.
Yeah, come on, Jasiana. No one so can ye. Here say, no more.
Frankly, Osha Kofo Addo, yes, NPP for no more can say, and this for this.
Thank you.
And this for an A. When NPP for an
in 2009, when this was coming to Pomso Mama, a NPP for Bibri, I don't have a chrono. Nipa ba you was on their target list someone what asamoah what na yire ne make to come airport ye deny ye say manem ko am go he is a be see we we see Akufo Addo be say Akufo Addo ba chairman for Akufo Addo if you look at the kind of legal team or akotompa mo or ye fe papa ya you go to me am adesemo they go after the NBC they will make sure NBC for you years NPP said it. So corruption, American deal, no matter and whole lot of stuff. Can as well as I'm asking you. NPP comes to power. Every factual documents are in front of them. Could they apart from men almost so much I'm not able when him maybe so mammy almost so much no the big what to pet it. Oh why what about you? So much when I tell you why when a guy what jail about what and sometimes these politicians they play with our minds away. They want people to vote for them against Austin. Hey, Austin, or so called master, but we could Chris Kennedy to the car boot. Would they buy a bet in the band? Almost buy our some no, I'm saying, yes, can also. I'm not catch us, Daddy. And then they just said the court, just a court, no, bit much. These politicians, they play with our mind, they play with our conscience, and sometimes they make a fool out of us. To some master, but make you say this time a year MP before. Yes, yeah, the cousin, no man, no county. NBC phone to be so crack. I said, NBC phone, so the NPP should go after them. That's in the day. But Franco, me perceive a Kojo or him a video.
I'm pam near Lucy City. Na me, my camera say, Ghana ni ina etchere. We wished Kebe in the power and the arena. Na ubia wadene sabo aban sikem. Meba hono na meba hu o wa ko de. Is even na me abo aban sikem. Wafa aban ejapade. Papa Jo Mahama. You don't have 3 months. You don't have 4 months. You don't have 5 months. Yes, we're in 7 January 2025. 8 January 2025. Go after those people. So you see how why I said this party near Museum Town. Over free when movement. Free when I stand with one when why? I hear about and no over to me go Kuma. Obi frɛ omo kro omo mfa no sabre so wonim so fa ban da pade o fa ban sika ntentem fakɔ omo ana omo yere no omo ma na me kɔdɔ sa metia omo no omo ma na ekodi fa di one day amount na obi ye adwuma party ni ohen obi aye adwuma party ni mu a yiwini anu yakɔfrɛ ne wo fa asifra burukyiri ni amana ye twa ne tikitaba onye adwuma wo party ni mu omre wonim party for into onya position a onfo obi a ho onim obi ampo ko bi officer me dem officer me nye politics na enye politics na me fanya politics enye politics na do betina ho enti mesere se oh minister bi FF fund no no say FF fund no asem na dedodo onim say FF fund onim me say o minister o onim FF fund onim o ogusam say we wanam say onim FF fund Minister, where minister, say minister, or deputy minister. Deputy minister, say I'm now this is.
For him hey, choose your words carefully. Okay, we are on TV, we are live, Mr. Hey,
I apologize and withdraw.
Mr.
Or Hineba of Wontumi was say Mahama only 4 days, only 4 months, only 3 months. Our 4 years. One NPP before. Now or MP before. That's NPP. That's how question. If you're free, you can achieve na adio the bayo.
What kind of time bayo? Ano paya? After listening to the video critically, the first person your mama should hunt, mama should go for S. Abrantiana.
Why they?
He should be the first person. Ghana in some trade media. Yeah, sometimes I have problems with journalism, especially if you are sports. Now you see a car saying it is about financial issues.
Okay.
Then you get a sports journalist, our radio station, a TV station, who is also talking about financial issues. Whereby if you even ask them about the technical words about finances, we don't worry. If you go to other parts of the world, even my kind said this is an establishment, this is a TV station. You will director of maybe finance or you will be when it comes to technical affairs or you will be when it comes to this scouting this or so anything that pops up I will be related to the parliament. No, the person goes into it and makes sure with my HT. Then be a credit card assembly. Now some more can say I can some to foreign to Kwabena Ghana. So now confess na maintenance say, but I totally agree with him. Shabu, once I'm for you are just abusing your jurisdiction.
Yes, I'm for.
Once I'm truthful, you are just abusing your jurisdiction. And I send some tradesmen I have for. And to be you know our problem. The way we even recruit people into journalism is bad. Franco Nkasa, Shabu Nkasa, and Yaman Mexari with TV on Kasa. Gabby, when him etis, Gabby, and Meda, who so. And I made a or Mutti because I'm saying voice said, and my voice said, then I remember me radio and I said, "Now to your mom, no TV, and I'm Kobo and Sao Yasi, and a cat and make us." So, one, we are not looking at competence, we are not looking at ethics, we are not looking at what the person can bring on board. Then we are catch us when it comes to journalism. It is your duty and responsibility. Your primary responsibility as a journalist is to educate and enlighten the ordinary Ghanaian. That is your primary responsibility. And determine any other issues in the but how they so better TV and radio so and as about that opportunity when you have to make sure say who control or you speak a lot of sense in their mind. And when you say me person me quote shaibu and then person me quote shaibu don't quote na he will give you feelings. Maybe feelings from Kennedy Agyapong Kojo Kyeremanteng come because he sit and eat and dine with the man. Papa na fanese ba meaning you are educating people. So inconsistencies people doesn't take you serious. Because I shall book you. So I also Franco could no opportunity or TV is wakasa. Now the primary responsibility of Franco is you analyze the issue, comes out with your objectivity. Why about people might even have issues with objectivity? Maybe a Franco can know nyagi, but should be in a friendly manner. Or be a Franco that be where they can't consider one man. It means to be they be not my analysis of your agenda. A candid opinion, and maybe what you've read. And they say they be no bidding come now your private matter now someone catch or no in the wood. So for example, me tell us here, not kind of friend this as a Franco. Maybe some about 2027 and 2028. My bahu tell Hashiami, Yenim come. Yet that's being for us about the transfer makers. I'm privy to a lot of information whereby outside the meaning. Just some American outside the meaning problem. This is not the same Franco I'm seeing today, but the person know the kind of information that I'm having or bringing on board. Now, Shabu, Franco, Matthew Henneba, me knew this one the cast has me. Oh, no, Henneba, I said, of Wontumi. Tell the man and Ocas also, Wontumi TV now. Hey, as I did, I am what we say, as it comes to me as a surprise or mirage. Are they? Your mama should go after him. So he should be the first person your mama should go for. Before your mama be testing for some corrupt force. For my discount bribery and corruption. Some for and I said your mama be test your most one. This guy should be the first person to see so. Do you know why? Shabla is what say. If you misinform the public, a deliberate, a diabolic. Why do you say why you both person deep money? They are Ghanaian, you know. He wanted to make sure some why he's going to disenfranchise their rights in voting on the election day. On election day. And the kind of education he was bringing on board, it was a recipe for disaster and was too suicidal. But as a Ghana, a fast and so simple. This thing cannot happen in America or in a European country. Just what I say. Nyamiya Dumwa, Abana better on the 7th. No. Or more of that ballot papers from the 1st to the 7th. You better on the 7th of December. The da for beto kasma okani dia kan start from where friend John Dramani Mama ekokosi Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng
hear say video na
abato komisa no hyehyemu no odwom so ntonto ya balotoi se wan na bedi kan wan na beto so mienu wan na beto so miensa saa kwesi enipa edumiensa omoto abanom na unse abano ni baro dozo nti ya chemu mienu se ye dika to bi de ye wi ani atu bi de enti omo toso 1 to 7 no era ye dikan atu omo de no na se de abato besi akoni de dikan ye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no ono na 7 December so mse gala de be 7 December ene atu aba enti Dr. Bawumia ye baloto ye no onye da number 1 enti 7 December ono de no era ye dikan atu ye dikan atu ni panso edikan no ye na enso na aka no every 8 9 10 11 12 no muso no omuso de na ba beto ato aso sa enti 7 December de Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia aba no era ye dikan atu ebi ade achi na se na mienu achi no ni abeto de otoso 2 ni abeto de otoso 3 da for ni ato de otoso 4 sa nya de ko enti nyame aduma 7 December ayamenenda anopa no nso pepe enam se ye dikan atu ni padodo a womu ye mampani ombe mampani adino ye dikan atu ni panso no de ni tiro ene ye to abare 7 December enu so nti ena 7 o'clock 7 a.m. ene ye be sha ase atu aba no enti aba no omo dikan no ene ye sha ase atu omo de na de ate ne se eni banso no omo dikan ye dikan atu omo de 7 December 7 a.m. no ye dikan atu ba ko de no dikan anzara de foforo ebe to de toso mienu de e da foforo ebe to de toso miensa e da foforo ebe to de toso nsa ko bi se be wie enti de tie nie se wan ko to Dr. Bawumia de ni bia edu de toso tu ni na untubi ye ma wo kwan ma untubi police fo soldier fo electoral commission ma fo no e ma wo kwan e ma untubi se wan ko to Dr. Bawumia de ni bia edu de toso 3 onu bo na apenu a ye ma wo kwan ma untubi enti nyame aduma Saturday 7 December yenyina ye sore mikromo mosiaso fo mikromo foase atwemabu akwafo munyina mo sore Ghana nyina Dr. Bawumia ba no era ye dikan akoto na se obase unya akwanya na de otoso mieru de wotubi de otoso miensa de wotubi a wo se wo kwa otoma Dr. Bawumia ni akenkan ru se de dikan to Robert Tubi ansana de atoto soro de mo ba betubi na de tiene se obato ni akenkan ni ye na wanya akwanya to de akari nyina bia Dr. Bawumia krata de mawa enipa be edu asenso ekodumi ensa ana woso na mom Dr. Bawumia de no ye dikan ato enti woje krata na se krata no so mu dane no se omu butu no se dane nchem se omu siritas mpo a hwe se oba dane krata no ama Dr. Bawumia ebe dikan e wosoro udo Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia fagiri ubade.
I listened to the video. He is lying with impunity
on
national television. Before so the cats now a guy back who saw back. Our the cats on the sort of Mama John Dramani Mama. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Two was say. What sort of Mama John Mama?
So Bawumia right and this for the say
this guy is so much. Yes, Mama T. One Ghana and your Ghana Force Kennedy Electoral Commission. The Electoral Commission does public advert. They go to TV stations and radio stations. They pay huge amount to radio and TV, telling them, say, conscientize Ghanaians, prepare Ghanaians' mind for elections, give them education and tell them, say, Abano, you're better on the 7th. And yes, on blue, man, on the 7th too. Or must you be away, you be paper, say, no, for me, say that they are same one. They are educating Ghanaians. Because you know, say, anytime you are going for elections, I will get rejected
sport ballot.
And this time one, 239,000 in terms of sport ballot. But I didn't give this guy, American Nasemi, he's a radio presenter. He didn't say so to educating Ghana for Kano Karicha Ghana for Sabano. And on the 7th of December, Okwa ni papa so trouble man no. When he logo and as emblem done in Chakona Kotomani part. But listen to the comment that he made. Whereby NCC for Abaya mo muska so munya campaign. Educated Ghana for na Ghana for control money 2 years. Or he ba say this Wonte. Say but he ba say was want to you. This young guy is misinforming the public. Misinforming the public. Using Wontumi outlet and media station.
No, what did he seek to achieve? Because they are not pursuing until we said,
or person confuse amount for me trouble for the young man in Mahama. Or you don't know. And he's trying to lie to them. Now they know anything serious matter.
But why did we say electoral committee for the Kataba Montere? Say, but they didn't sue him.
Baby, okay, I get you. Of course, we know I can't move. Money can't himself. Ghana, Obian will bet me catch him and say Ghana. If you look at our system, there be a transparent. Or he said, whether we like it or not, if NPP has captured power and broke the ATA, and this case will be a foolish case. Young cannot question. Young cannot. There's no way Wontumi will allow the NPP in power to go after his own presenter. And see that. How is it going to be happening? It's not possible. Because Wontumi feels that now, open hand of God in the new patriotic party is part. Won't you also open a such
a hand of Satan?
Mistake. So it tells you, say, or only if NPP is in power, they cannot go after him.
Also,
yes, open national chair. Oh, what I'll give you a bit.
Concert, no one. Well, he's a party, but you're the party. Yes, I found national chairman. No matter TV, so Wontumi open a national chairman. Or you joker. Wontumi open national chairman. A political party like NPP and a party that belongs to the elite class. No for Wontumi. Now, suddenly you will ask on the region.
That's a who. No such as more catching the dada.
Say, so Wontumi so open.
Me. I don't more.
Me say, now Wontumi open. Me come so that Wontumi connect to money. And now go for elections from 70% around 65. Then on what basis on the corporate national chairman? What the last election is 72% of what?
Yeah.
I shall none of the 71. What the about 65? Corporate national chairman. Master, they are going to be serious. Maybe are good with you. Now, frankly, what shall I never say? Koheba. Who say Mahama beat my back about NPP corrupt officials? Now, misinformed public.
Hypocrisy and double standard. Hypocrisy and double standard. NPP for no Afenyo. NPP. Omusian the winning Kai. Afenyo, do you know why? This guy, everybody knows him to be an NDC person. Can't know yet more boss affair. I call it more Fox affair. Open it back on NDC first Kuma. It is him. So what a change. He's trying to be more Catholic than the Pope. Or more journalists focus angle for the more source for the new patriotic party crown. They are not helping them. Look at the kind of goodies he's giving to this guy. When young people you, just because of Koye no Wontumi media outlet. Koye Juma on what GBBR can tell so. And I say. And I want what's the point? So what
no, he's talking about corruption. Now, frankly, Heleba, just be honest. It is being alleged that concession it is being alleged that concession who took Galamsey. About the corruption was him. Now, on the bay, and war idea Juma now we are extraordinary. We are the wound to me a change in the money. Who's I can't be before an demand. NPP for no, or one at the man. And on find NPP for now. Idea about calling about. Yeah, call no became election. Or him about almost out of the boy. Or frame you want to meet Kennedy Agyapong. Frame, my friend Kennedy Agyapong. I don't want any Kennedy Agyapong. And someone kind of use fucking between you or any status. I didn't push your fucking Agyapong. Pa.
I also owe your process.
Men Franco Kennedy Agyapong.
No, no, no,
I didn't know the rope of Kennedy Agyapong. And the same meetings are muscle. And on any bus, so it's no. Yeah, dear, Mr. Adio, never put you on the status. The film says, our boy will name answer.
Unyansa, they are no shit.
Now, only me answer and can walk in a better TV so I show listeners are a beer, a doctor for a nurse for a lawyer for. Now, can you buy better on the 7th December? You have to be on the 7th, you have to be on the 8th, you have to be on the 9th. You have to be the last person on the report that you're taking battle. So, only answer. Because I say what your listeners are. She say a station NPP MPs, MMDC will bustle. They talk now they communicate with the elite class. na o tena se I missing for public see na wo ni nyansa ade be da wutiri na wo hene ba no I want the moral right to talk about corruption or hene ba you want to talk about corruption now what is corruption what is corruption wo hene ba it is be like say wo can say side it is be like say oh concession wo train nuya wo hene ba ti member be NPP ni chair NPP MPs ni ministers oh concession wo train nuya there's allegation out there then no say una be over support Mahama say Mahama enchi corrupt officials oh hene ba it is now Mahama say oh kazache Ghana for say na dey oh kasa about corruption
I'm shocked
now me say adena no wo ye no na oye e dey tia NDC for say me to say ebra MPP tia ba mu say me yade a na ebeko atia NDC na enye mrakwan mu a omo meche me say me yade tia MPP na enye omo meche me but for deliberately say I want to just confuse people from voting.
It's a serious matter. It's a serious matter, Shaibu. It's a serious matter. Whereby you don't work with the Electoral Commission. You are not a member. You are not a commissioner. Electoral Commission has gone to government. They're picking money or taking money. They are doing serious adverts, public adverts, paying money. Then you sit on national television and you make this comment and say, we were told on the 7th, 1st to 7th. They are coming to 8th, 9th. Hey!
And the electoral commission for demand sue guy we
asem be ba make I want it.
Be ba make Mahama say crime has no expanded. So
say crime has been expanded
into Oma Obeye.
So we are expecting Mahama
Mahama obu man on pen for so a almost due to say nyama we. And more on man dey enko because when said with the media platform we are supposed to entertain and inform the public, educate the public. But is it a kind of education you want to give to your listeners or your viewers?
And then answer no shabu.
Electoral commission for boka. Can't Ghana for the on the 7th December. You better aba. I elected the president and the parliament at the same time. What the old country almost say we even super electoral commissioner. What is super electoral commission? It one next year for the better. Now call that's not my bonten. After the TV so be can't let Mahama say or match nipa bone for no more people. Now what nipa bone get a
yo it for winning and some abeto yepno so Mikao say so we subscribe to channel dia bomodia say we subscribe so had there latest and hot news and kwa era be bremo afi we na like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma ofoforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensem ekoso ewo Ghana memu ha uso betimi achire wadwen afaye ensem we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobati minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.